215. How can I simplify the expression? So we're just going to look, like we're looking at these things. They call these algebra comparison mats. Um, so um, it shows two expression mats, and it's just wondering which one's bigger. So when I look at this one, right, I can tell that the value is -3. We see that there's 3 tiles. They're negative. We can tell they're negative because they are empty. And then we have, and they're on the addition side. So it's 0 plus -3. And then on the other side, we have 0 minus 2. And so it specifically talks about how their values are -3 and -2. 0 minus, plus -3 is -3. And 0 minus 2 is -2. And so, like, hopefully that's pretty obvious. But it says, so the question is, like, which one's bigger? So let me know in the chat, or just let me know, like, which one of those is a larger number, -3 or -2? Which one is greater? I see a couple answers. I see 2 answers. They match, though. I got answers from Destiny. I got answers from Anthony, Hussein, Tashvi, Olivia. Missing answers from a lot of folks. So I have people saying the right one. I have people saying the left one. I have people saying -2, -3. So let's talk about that. It looks like there's a little bit of confusion. Ratuan, you need to be doing this school too, kiddo. So some people are saying right, some people are saying left. This is a really interesting thing. So we have so this is a really interesting section, or a really interesting question. So our values that we know, I'm going to write them in the chat. The values are -3 and -2. So if you write those on a number line, which one is bigger? If I was to write that on a number line, and I actually, let's see, I think I can, like, write on here. So I'm going to try to annotate this part. So here's my number line. Can y'all see that? My number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, making a bunch of lines. Here is 0. Here is -1 right below, -2 right below that, and -3 right below that. So which one is the higher number? Which one is higher? If I look at this, I can tell just by looking that -2 is higher. So that means that this is the greater value here, even though these tiles are lower. And even though this number 2 is lower, -2 is actually the higher number. -3 is further down than -2 is. They're both below 0, but -2 is further down. So that's the first thing. Now I have to figure out how to delete this part, because, yeah. So hopefully
there should be a garbage can.
Yeah, there should be. That's clear the whole thing. I used an eraser. So now I'm gonna, now I want to stop annotating. So as we go further, oh, I still have a little circle there. You guys, learning new stuff while you're teaching is hard. Learning new stuff while you're learning is also hard. I know that. I've had to do both. So let's look at this one. So it says build this expression. So you have these expressions, build these expressions using the Student E tool, and then remove any 0 pairs you see. So I'm going to give you guys like 3 minutes to click on this one and remove any 0 pairs that you see. And then it says write the 2 new simplified expressions that are left on your thing. And then what I said was write the expressions like this. Like if you want it to count the answer as being correct, you need to write what the expression is on the left, and then write the word and then write whatever's on the right. So it's got to look like that. So go ahead, load this up. built, the eTool is already, it's already built for you. So go ahead and like eliminate your zero pairs and do your keep change and then write your simplified expressions. I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to work on this.